Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you have been doing well. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. As you know that I'm Hamza Rehman, an English instructor from the Vision School Mirpur Khas for level 4. You guys, as you remember that in the last video lecture, in last class, we discussed about past participle and perfect tenses. So, if you remember, so we use a word, a helping verb in the topic, like we were making perfect tenses, so we were using helping verb have, has, had, will have, like we were using word have. So today we are going to discuss another use of this word have. Like our topic is verb 3 have. You know guys, what is the topic? Like what we are going to discuss in this topic today. Actually, just we discussed about is helping verb. Like have is a helping verb, and it gives us the sense of completion. Like we were having examples. I have done this work. I have played cricket. I have eaten my food. When if I am talking about the past time, so what I was saying that I had eaten my lunch. These kind of things. But today we will discuss some of the more uses of have, like how we can use, where we can use have. So let's discuss about the new topic. So here are some of the uses of have, as we were discussing about. The first one is have is used frequently as a helping verb to form the perfect tenses. As I gave you the example before starting this topic, that as we have used the use of have in our perfect tenses, like we were using is a helping verb, like I have done my breakfast, I had played cricket, I will have, like we have used in multiple senses in perfect tenses. So the second one is have can be used as a main verb on its own different senses. Over there we were using our have as a helping verb, but here we will use, like we are talking about it, have will be used as a main verb directly. Means there we were using the as a helping verb, and we were using the past participle form after the have, like I have done. This done is being used as a main verb, but here we will be using our have directly as a main verb. Some of the examples are written over here. We will discuss about them. Like have is commonly used to mean possess or own. Like we use have to show our position or property. Like for suppose I am the owner of this marker, so what I will say that I have marker. In the classroom, you say that yes teacher, I have pencil. Yes teacher, I have book. Means you are showing your position that you have the thing. So how do you show? By using have. So there are some examples, like I have a pet dog called Tiger. Means that I am the owner, like I am the owner of a dog. Its name is Tiger. Clear? Like I am showing my position that I have a pet dog called Tiger. Clear? Like here directly we are using our have as a main verb. We are not using past participle after the have, just because we have to show position. We are not showing here the perfect tenses. We are not showing the completion of work. Clear guys? The second example is my sister has very long hair. My sister has very long hair means that the long hair is the property of my sister. Clear? She has a position of long hair. My sister has long hair. Now the difference between have and has is we have discussed that if we are using I, we, they, you mean first person or second person, so we will put have with them. But if we are using our subject third person singular, like he, she, it, or any singular name, any singular subject, so we will use his with that. Clear guys? And if we are talking about past time and we have to show the position in past time, so we will use the past form of have had. Like the example is written over here. We had a cat called Susie. We had a cat called Susie. Means right now we are not having the cat. We had a cat. Clear? But she died last year. Unfortunately, she died last year. Means that last year we had a cat, but now we don't have a cat. Clear, guys? So these are the examples of have, and this is the very first use we have discussed. Like it shows the position, it shows the property of subject. Like whatever what we have, anything. Like I'm saying that I have marker. Many times we say that I don't have time to go, and I don't have time to play right now. I have to study. That's these are the uses of have. I hope you have understood. So let's discuss another use of have. Like as we have discussed about one of the use of have, that have shows the property of subject, have shows the position of subject. Like I have my marker, but now we are going to discuss about another use of have. Like have is often used to denote things that happen or done almost regularly. Like what happens at my home, that I like, there are some examples of have. Like first one is Murray has frequent landslides during the monsoon. Like monsoon is a kind of weather. Like in monsoon, it has frequent landslides in Murray. Like as you have heard the name of landsliding, like in the winter season in monsoon, it happens like landslides, and the major accidents happen like just because of landslidings. So this is the example that Murray has. What we are using to show this, what we are using to denote this, has, means that we are using of have. Murray has frequent landslides during the monsoon. And the second one example is, we have garden parties at our house in winter. Like we are talking about it, what happens in our home in winter season, that we have garden parties at our house in winter. Okay guys, so this is the second use of have. Now let's discuss another use and the last use of today's topic. So I hope that you have understood. So let's discuss about another one. So here is another use of have. Like as we have discussed two of the uses of have. So the next one is, have is also used to mean take a meal or hold, experience, enjoy. Like there are some examples. Let me define you guys that they always have dinner at 8 in the evening. They always have dinner at 8 in the evening. Like we are talking about the taking meal. Like have is also used to mean take a meal. So we are talking about the dinner. They always have dinner at 8 in the evening. Like I have my lunch, I have my breakfast early in the morning. Like I am talking about the taking meal, that when do I take my meal, that I have my breakfast early in the morning. Clear guys? And the second one is, we had a picnic last Sunday. Like we are talking about experience or enjoy, that we enjoyed on last Sunday, and I'm talking about it, how did we enjoy. Like we had a picnic last Sunday. Clear guys, that what we are using, had, means the past form of have. Clear? We had a picnic last Sunday. Like I am talking about the experience, that it was my experience that we enjoyed, and I'm talking about the enjoyment, that we had a picnic. Definitely we enjoy on a picnic. So the next example is, they have a lovely time at the seasides every year. Like every year they go to the seaside and they enjoy. Means their experience is really good about to go at the seaside. Like as I have told you that have is also used to mean take a meal. We have taken example of taking meal or hold, experience and enjoy, and the both examples are relating to experience and enjoyment. They have a lovely time at the seaside every year. Like I have a lovely time with the students in the school. This is also the example, guys. So I hope that you have understood that, and if I say like about today's lecture that I hope you had a great time in my lecture, so we can give the multiple examples, guys. And now I hope that you have understood the topic that whatever we discussed today. So there are some of the important points of use of have regarding our today's topic. So just let me tell you, then we will end of our lecture, inshallah. So I hope that you have understood the topic completely. So let's discuss about some of the important things of our topic. So here are the important points of our today's topic. Like if we are talking about present time, so simply we will use have or has. Clear? But where we will use have or where we will use has, as we have discussed in our previous topic when we were discussing about the perfect tenses, like if we are using I, we, they, you, these kind of subjects or any plural name, so we will use have with them. But if we are talking about the third person singulars and we are using third person singular as subject in our sentence, like he, she, it, singular name. If these subjects are being used in our sentence, so we will use has with them. Clear? And if we are talking about past time, so we will use have in the past form and we will put had. Clear? And if we are talking about future time, we are forming the sentences of future, so we will use will have or shall have. Clear, guys? And you know the difference between them, and we have discussed in our previous topic. Now let's discuss about the homework, that what you have to do and how you have to complete your homework of week 4. What you have to do, guys, at your home, week 4, topic verbs 3 have. Question number 1, read and understand page number 35. What you have to do, just you have to read out the page number 35 and you have to understand page number 35. Question number 2, learn different forms of have and the 3 main tenses, page number 35. There is a chart on in your book on page number 35. Just you have to learn from there the main tenses of have. Clear? The different forms of have and the 3 main tenses. Question number 3, fill in the blanks with have or has. As I have told you, guys, on page number 36, exercise A, that as I have told you that where you have to put have and where you have to put has. So inshallah you will be able to complete the task easily. That you have to put have, that where you have to put has, so just you have to put has over there. Question number 4 is fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of have, exercise B, from page number 36. What you have to do over there, guys, you have to look at the sentence and just you have to identify that if the sentence is sentence belongs to present time, so you will put have or has. If sentence belongs to past time, so you will put had. If sentence belongs to future time, so you will put will have or shall have. Clear, guys? So I hope that you have understood the topic and the homework as well. So inshallah we'll meet in the next lecture. If you have any question, any query, so please let me know. Till next lecture, Allah Hafiz Nasir. Thank you so much.